How to deposit to Kraken from bank. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can deposit to Kraken from bank. So let me first tell you the requirements for bank deposit and the checklist. So you have to have the account ownership. Make sure the name on the bank account you are depositing from matches the name on your Kraken account, and the account type should be business Kraken account with pro limits, and if required and shown in the deposit instructions, make sure your deposit includes a reference to your Kraken public account ID, which starts with AA and is 16 characters long, and make sure the deposit is above the minimum required amount, and deposit limits are make sure the deposit will not result in your exceeding your daily or monthly deposit limit. Refer to the value indicated as your maximum deposit, and make sure you don't send multiple deposits of the same amount within a 72-hour period, and make sure you are not depositing from a third-party payment processor. And you can deposit log into your Kraken account and click the deposit button. You can also access the deposit page via transfer tab, asset tab, and portfolio tab on the left hand side, and then you can search for the currency you want to deposit. You will select US dollar, and then under deposit method choose your preferred deposit method. If using a manual bank transfer, select it, then choose your funding provider under the account section. And if you're using easy bank transfer, check out their guide for plate ACH deposits, and after that you have to scroll down to view Kraken's bank account details and log into your online banking and initiate a deposit from your account to Kraken to avoid errors, and copy and paste your bank details directly. Try to avoid entering them manually. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.